recording?
Yes. Such hotness in one video. Oh, yummy. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Caitlin.
Sup.
Sup. Sup.
We're twins.
Both in the same shirt. Damn. Except for I'm not really wearing bra or pants.
I'm not wearing a bra either.
Yeah, I'm wearing panties. Look, there's a penis on my leg.
I have better penises.
Oh wait,
Right
there, look, another penis. And my penis happy face.
I got one on my arm. Everywhere. Penises everywhere.
Oh my god. Yummy.
He said.
Hello, Max. Green. Motherfucking sex on this motherfucking plane. Oh my god. Buck cherry. And escape the face. Buck cherry. Looks like I have a penis in these two. Have faces on my tummy.
Look at mine's better. Well, actually, you can't even see mine anymore.
You can't see mine. Wait.
But you should get one on your back.
Where's the one?
Oh, it's like half gone. Can't really see
I'm
it.
like naked. Look, half naked.
Look at that. Then you straighten my hair.
No, where's your tummy one?
It's like, wait, they're too high. It's like gone.
Look at those eyeballs.
I did that. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh my god.
Nice boobs, Aaron.
Oh, this isn't gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, but I don't really want a picture of your boobs.
Feed me, Skittle. That's hard.